The Middle East tension has sparked a global energy crisis that has affected the price of fuel everywhere. What used to be a 3,000 pesos full tank is now 8,000, more than double, and it hurts our pockets and lives deep. This is where the electric cars come in, and Tesla seems to lead the way. I have had the Model Y for the last 2 weeks, and the savings is unbelievable. Performance-wise, the Tesla Model Y is an absolute wonder. It accelerates fast, handles easily, and is very quiet on the road. But there's more going on beneath the surface than just speed. The Tesla Model Y delivers instant torque through its dual-motor, all-wheel drive system, giving you seamless power and incredible traction in almost any condition. No gear shifts, no lag, just pure linear acceleration. And then there's regenerative braking. Lift off the throttle and the car slows down while feeding energy back into the battery. It's a one-pedal driving experience that quickly becomes second nature. Thanks to its low-mounted battery, the Model Y has a very low center of gravity. That means less body roll, sharper handling, and a planted feel through corners. The suspension is on the firm side though, great for control, but you'll feel rough roads a little bit more. Inside, it's all about minimalism. Almost everything is controlled through a single central touch screen. It looks clean and futuristic, but it does take some getting used to. Software is where Tesla really shines. Over-the-air updates keep improving the car, adding features, refining performance, and optimizing efficiency over time. Speaking of efficiency, the Model Y maximizes every kilowatt through smart energy management and thermal control systems, giving you impressive real-world range. The Tesla Model Y isn't just quick, it's intelligent, efficient, and engineered to redefine what a modern SUV can be. From a daily driver's perspective, even if the Middle East conflict ends soon, the price of fuel will probably remain costly anyway. And this is the primary reason, although not the only one, why getting Tesla, or an EV for that matter, is a good idea moving forward. My name is Ira Panganiban, and this is your Autocar Philippines review.